Yes, plastic is a problem. So what if we made plastic waste profitable, a commodity? We need a strategy for getting people behind recycling. This video presents a solution, one that creates a simple, nationwide program that rewards us for recycling. Pollution from what we consume gets into our environment. Plastic waste ignores our state lines and national borders. Single-serve plastic bottles, cups, and bags float down our waterways and rivers, ending up in the ocean. To fix this, we need congressional legislation to focus on the source, us. A few states have recycling programs, but most don't, and pollution from these states less focused on recycling impact our environment. Having a national program with a 25-cent per bottle redemption with retailer support will help unify us around this shared goal. Our planet's resources are not unlimited. Recycling and reusing the products we consume will help offset our impact. By having a monetary incentive and placing a value on plastic waste, we can get it out of our environment. Contact your local lawmakers and get behind Recycle for Green.